Madam. Today we are living in an age of COVID era, and everybody is still doing their best to do their services and responsibilities. Every school today is moving towards online education, and we are doing our bit. Whatever possible means or resources which we have got today, we are functioning via those resources and means. Some people are working on WhatsApp, some are working on some LMSs, and some are even taking the support of free platforms like Google Meet and LMSs. But today, if we talk about, we have got certain resources which. So as I said, every school is using some or other means to cover up their responsibilities or to do their responsibilities, but they are finding various problems in dealing with online classes. So very much essentials for the successful online classes plus the challenges which schools are facing as on date. If we say the biggest essential of the online class is live teaching, so which again is not possible in the case when the schools are using WhatsApp. Via WhatsApp, only pure images or the scan copy goes of a text or of the chapter. Plus with this, your handwritten or text written worksheets, test papers goes via WhatsApp. But there is a scarcity or not possibility of using live teaching via WhatsApp. Then comes the scenario or the usage of YouTube videos. With YouTube videos, again, the biggest challenge for a teacher is to find out the appropriate YouTube video for a child. So to get that appropriate video, he or she spends too much of time on internet and find out the appropriate one. Then again, the possibility of having the same channel video in the next chapter is not there. So that sync or that same pedagogy which a child should get is not possible once you search videos from different challenges. So that again becomes a problem for a teacher. So one of first problem is that she spends too much of time on finding out the good video. Then again, whether she's going to get the second chapter video of the same channel is not possible. Then comes the form of or the importance of ebooks. Ebooks, again, the chapters are either very much short or in brief, or in other form. If we go in with the detailed chapter of a book, it really takes too much of time. So that enough of space is not possible in online teaching to spend so much of time in dealing with the detailed chapter. Then comes the part of assignment or the real-time check, even like in the form of MCQs, which becomes a tough task in case of WhatsApp. Though some of the schools are using MCQs in LMS, which they are using, but in case of WhatsApp or in other forms of Google Meet and Zoom, it is not possible. Then there comes the picture of your assessment or the test. So we need to have test generator, which is possible in LMS, but it is not possible in other two forms of WhatsApp or in the Google Meet or in Zoom methodology. This again is the very much important part of online teaching, your edu games, because child engagement is the biggest issue in entire philosophy of online teaching. So we have brought in some of the very interesting edu games for every child to play with the solutions which we are offering in our deliverables. So we have got ready-made library of 2000 plus appropriate YouTube content. So best part is this, they are ready-made. So there is no time spent on finding out the appropriate content. Plus with this, I mean, you would have the sync or the pedagogy in one uniform way. So there's not going to be mix of pedagogy, mix of one YouTube channel would be of some other channel, other would be of some other channel. So there is no sync of it. So they would have a synced good amount of library for YouTube videos. Then comes the ready-made worksheets on all chapters. Again, to make a chapter worksheet, it consumes time. You would really spend so much of time with this. These worksheets which we would be providing are really very much interesting in nature. Child would enjoy to do those things on worksheets. Then comes training to make self videos. Again, a very much important part on online teaching, so that a teacher would have so much of assistance so that he or she can make its own videos. Then comes the test generator part, which again is important because you would have regular tests which are going to be given to a child to do. So we would provide you with test paper generator too. Then MCQs and real-time evaluation, a big factor in online teaching, because you need to check it out on a regular note whether a child is really absorbing or gaining the knowledge or not. It is said that within an hour itself, 60% of things taught to a child, he or she forgets. So we need to have a real-time evaluation so that we can cross-check whether attentive or no. Downloaded chapters again is important because first of all it saves a teacher's time to find out the chapter, download it. Here they would have the ready-made downloaded chapters, so they can at each start their classes. Most important part, activity-based learning games and your online games and competitions, because these two factors are going to bring engagement of a child, the interest of the child in online teaching. Because your child is not in front of you, you need to have the control, you need to have their interest at a larger extent, comparatively higher additional classes, which we are going to provide through online activity games. So for all these things, either you can call me for the sales part of it or the demo of the entire program. I'm Rajneesh Chadda. My number is 9826644434, and I'm speaking from Learn India. Thanks for listening me, and please call me back.